stop playing with him.
Davinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
You guys, we're really doing this. We're going platinum blonde, or as blonde as we can get our hair. I'm gonna just show you guys step by step on what I did. I've been watching a bunch of videos and I read the comments to see what hairstylist is gonna give more tips. So I'm using all you guys' tips. So I don't want you guys in my comment sections talking negatively about me choosing to dye my own hair. This is my hair. I have 4C hair. Babe, is this really happening? Yep. You hear him? He said yep. Okay, so just so you guys can see my hair already, the back of my neck, the hair really doesn't grow anymore because I have tattoo going up my neck. Just so you guys know, I don't want you to be like, oh, her hair is falling out. We're gonna start off by taking some coconut oil. So we're gonna saturate our hair in this coconut oil. Then we're gonna ponder our decision. Nah, but seriously, we're really doing this. So we're gonna just lather this coconut oil into our hair. I do have virgin hair. None of my hair has been dyed, processed, relaxed. For the most part, my hair is good. I have pretty healthy hair. I just really want to dye it. Hair makeover for 2019. And I want you guys to know it's currently Friday. If my hair needs to be lightened again, I'm going to dye it the following Friday, okay? So I'm gonna just start off by sectioning my hair. The mirror is over here, so I'm gonna really be looking over here. And I'm really not trying to fuck up. But yeah, I'm gonna section it into 4. So I'm currently mixing the bleach powder with 30 volume developer. Just read the directions. It tells you how much to use. So yeah, just read the directions. Because all your hairstylists did was read the directions. And you guys, to be honest, I had my hair professionally bleached blonde in the past, and the professional did a terrible job. So I was just like, I could definitely do this myself. That's why I'm doing it. All right, y'all, we're about to get started. Yeah. We're about to get started. He said, let's get it, baby. I need you guys to be in my comments supportive like my husband, okay? He said, let's get it, baby. It looks good. She looks good, okay. So we got foil. I could actually just cut it. Can you bring me some scissors really quickly? Like really, really, really quickly. I'm gonna do section by section. I'm gonna just cut this in half because my hair is fairly short. Okay, oh yeah. Gloves, 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 gloves. All right, so we're gonna coat it. First, I'm not gonna bring it all the way to my roots, but I am gonna heavily coat it, and I'm gonna try to move a little faster than what I'm moving. So you guys can see the hair is turning colors. If we can get it light enough, if we can get it light enough, then we'll just do our roots too, and we might be good. So this is what we're looking like so far. So I'm gonna just let this sit in my hair for like another 15 minutes. Get in the shower, wash my hair with 2 shampoos. I'm going to use Cantu, and then I'm gonna deep condition with like a protein treatment. And then if it's light enough, we'll be able to finish. If not, we'll bleach it another day. Y'all, to be honest, my curls ain't never looked so poppin'. This is the first bleach. We might not have to bleach it again unless I wanted it to be lighter. Bleach session number 1. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, y'all, so this is what the first bleach looks like. The second bleach, I'm gonna wait a week just to get the orange out of the hair, and then we're gonna tone it. But right now I'm gonna go in with this Ion repair, put it in my hair. So yeah, if you wanted to stop at this color, you could. Like on the first round, it low-key got really light. Like we could be done here, you know? We could be done if we wanted to. But I want to bleach it one more time. All right, so this ion repair is perfect for damaged hair. My hair actually does not feel damaged. It feels really good. Shower cap. All right, so we're gonna let this sit for like 15 minutes. This is simply conditioner in my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna come back a week from now and I'm gonna bleach it again. Okay? All right, bye.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie. This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. Popping tags, these bitches can't stand me. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie.
Okay, so here's my hair. It's been a week. Every day I've been putting coconut oil. Let me go get the coconut oil so y'all can see how much I've used. So I used the Proclaim coconut oil and I had the whole thing, okay? So this is what I've been using within a week. All of this on my hair. This thing was full. I'm gonna do a bleach bath on my hair and then tomorrow I'm gonna tone my hair. I'm using for my bleach bath, this is my first time ever trying a bleach bath, but I really didn't see a bleach bath on this color blonde. You know, I saw bleach baths, bleach such a fucking tongue twister. I saw bleach baths on women trying to get blue out of their hair, trying to get a toner out of their hair. I didn't even put a toner in my hair after the first day. I was just like, fuck it. We're gonna go to work like this. You know, like I'm gonna put on a silk scarf, all this coconut in my hair, and I'm gonna go to work. And I'm gonna just show you the products that I'm gonna use for the bleach bath. I might be able to like do it here to show it to you because this is gonna be my first time. So I just need to make sure I don't mess up my hair. So that's why I might need to not do it on camera. But I'm gonna use 30 volume developer. If you're scared, you can use 20 volume developer, but I don't wanna have to do this again like next week because my hair is not my color I want. And my hair feels pretty good, so we're gonna hope for the best. On Sunday, I'm getting a haircut. I'm gonna cut it, I wanna cut it like right here. So yeah, I'm using that, Kaleidocolors, whatever. And it doesn't even feel like there's a lot in here. So I'm gonna hope that it's able to bleach my whole head. And then I'm gonna also use some of the cleansing cream. Okay, so for the bleach mixture, it comes with a little scooper. For every scoop of bleach, you're gonna put 2 cupfuls of the developer, if that makes sense. I love the "you're so brave" comment. People were telling me that in my real life. And I'm like, thank you. But it's the fact that I'm not trusting nobody else to fuck up my shit. Because regardless, any bleach, whether freaking President Michelle Obama's hairstylist is giving me bleach, it don't matter. It's all bad. It's either you're with it or you're not with it. And I'm gonna keep a close. When I mean close, I mean the closest. The closest eye on my hair. All right, we dampened the hair. We're about to make our mixture. All right, and then tomorrow I'm actually going to get my hair done, like, so I can look cute. But I'm about to use the Wella T14 and 20 volume developer. And then we fill this up 2 times. 1, 2. And personally, I don't think that this 1 bottle is enough for my hair. I got thick hair and I want everything coated, so we're going to put 2 capsules of this color additive. If you wanted super gray hair, like if you wanted your hair completely gray, you could go on with this color additive throughout your whole head. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna just add a few of these drops, maybe 2.5 to 3 drops, since I used 2 Wellas. So I might just go on with 3. We're gonna just literally, these caps. Got 1 cap, 2 caps. We'll go 2.5. Okay, now we're gonna mix that up and then put it all over our head. Then you only leave that on for how many minutes? 30. We'll wash it out. Right now I'm just putting it all over these roots. Because we don't have much left, so I'm just really putting it all on there because why not? Okay. Then I'm gonna wash it with purple shampoo. Then I'll be back to show you the final results. All right, bye. We look toned. We're about to go rinse it out. We're gonna wash it out with the purple shampoo. Hopefully these orange tones are gone. But yeah, the only recommended time is 30 minutes, so we're not gonna leave it at anything after that. It's not like it's gonna keep toning your hair or anything like that, but the yellow shades definitely look toned, so I'm really ecstatic. I'm ecstatic.
All is red, looking like a blood G. He wanna give me everything like he owe me, but you don't know me. I get it on my own. Smoke by the ounce, boy, I'm smoking by the clone. No breakfast in bed, give me that head. Eat it like dessert and we gon' need a new spread, cause I don't care what you think.